Hi. The Vizhinjam International Seaport stands as India's pioneering deepwater mega container transshipment port. This port is going to be a major transshipment hub for India in near future. Since it is ideally located between Singapore and Dubai, let's understand how Vizhinjam port can contribute for sea air cargo shipment. Prior to that, a small introduction about sea air cargo. Conventionally, ports and airports are not considered to be integrated since they serve different supply chains. High value goods for air transport are bulk commodities for maritime transport. There is an emergence of integration between seaports and airports. They jointly support new forms of supply chain or distribution. Maritime transport is used for the first transport segment and air transport for the second segment or vice versa. It involves a change in rhythm of supply chain from days in maritime to hours for air transport. Containers bound for an air transport leg are often top loaded so that they can be unloaded quickly. Also, a single container shipment will be broken into several loads. Each could be bound to a different market. Major sea air locations are Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, and Panama. One important point is to note, high levels of maritime and air connectivity is very important to support the emergence of sea air logistics, as well as the coordination of customs procedures related to such movements is very important. An important challenge to sea air logistics concerns the transit of cargoes between bonded areas at port and airport terminals using local road and highways. Also, cargo has to clear customs for entry and exit. Having said all these constraints, at the same time, sea air cargo operations can reduce transit time, the total transit time by 50% and cost by 30 to 40%. When we come back to Vizhinjam port, as mentioned, this is very much ideally located between Singapore and Dubai. The port is only 15 kilometers away from Trivandrum International Airport, and both airport and seaport are operated by one entity, which is Adani Group. All these things can reduce the operational constraints to an extent when it comes to sea air cargo operation. But again, we need to use the local transport for moving cargo from the seaport to the airport. And also, the local customs need to take proactive approach to support the sea air cargo movement. In that way, when a cargo is moving from Southeast Asia to Vizhinjam port by a mothership and connecting via Trivandrum International Airport to moving directly to Western European countries can save lot of time as well as cost. So let's hope Vizhinjam International Seaport also will get a small share of sea air cargo in near future. Thank you so much, Banerjee Bhaskaran.